haven't lost people. Like when you lose people, I lost my dad when I was 10. I lost my older brother when I was 20. So it was like, bam, bam, you know, it's like, whoa, you know, like by the time I'm 20, I was like, okay, life is short, life is hard, it's unfair. You can't negotiate with this stuff. You can't negotiate with death. Like I am a master negotiator. I can look into a deal and know where I'm at in the deal. With death, there is nothing to look into. And so that made me really hard in life. And probably part of the reason I turned to drugs. Probably more the reason though, I just didn't have direction. Because everybody has losses. Yeah. I think a lot of people, like I had some cousins, they didn't lose anybody until late in life. Way late. And they were all like hurt, like shocked. Oh, my dad died. I'm like, yeah, what you think is gonna happen? I know people that they lose it if their dog dies. I'm like, dude, the dog only has, it's the Great Dane. Yeah. I mean, when you buy a Great Dane, you know he's gonna be dead in 8 years. So like, hopefully the dog dies before you do. So when I say those kind of things, right? See, people in this part of the world, particularly the Mideast, if I go closer to Turkey, people over there like me even more than they like me in America because they understand hard. Exactly. People in America, most people in America don't like me the first time they see me. Because they're like, look, I don't want that truth. I don't want that much truth. Yeah. You know, and so they kind of make me wrong about it. It's just because of the way I was brought up, right? So I don't know how I turned it around. I think I turned it around because I got tired of, you know, the old saying about I got sick and tired of being sick and tired. Mm-hmm. And I got sick and tired of being a loser. And I got sick and tired of looking in the mirror saying, dude, I know I can do more, but I'm not. And, you know, I didn't need people to stand in line to lie to me. I was lying to me. I didn't need more people betraying me. Dude, I was betraying me every day. Every time somebody screwed me over, it just reminded me of how I was screwing me over. And so I've always had a little bit of an awareness about this is about me, not you, doing something to me. You know, which is interesting about the Greece people we were talking about earlier, because there's a lot of blame going on.
Oh, yeah.
Blame the government.
Oh, the government. Yeah, you guys are the ones that put that government in there.
Yeah.
You know, all the taxes. When you allow people, like when you can build a house without permits, guess what? It's going to destroy housing values because the next guy can pop up a house. You want permits in there because permits keep the cost of that house up. And they slow things down and now keep a property value up. So you have to have some controls in the space, right? So that you can have, so everybody can't just do whatever the hell they want. Yeah. And you got shit products or pollution or whatever. So, I mean, that's a whole nother thing, but how did I sneak through? Man, because I was so like, I was so disappointed in me. And it wasn't a weekend of disappointment. It was from the age of probably 14 or 15 years old till 25. I was so disappointed. Like I was just pure. When I looked in the mirror, I'm like, you are a loser. You know, this is not what you are supposed to be. I just knew that, right? And then between 25 and probably 35, I started doing better, but I knew I was frustrated, you know, because it was like I was doing better, but I knew I could do more. And then I'd settle in. I was having my first successes in my life. I'd settle into it a little bit and get arrogant. I'd become the diva. Yeah. You know, a lot of people do this, but you're probably going to do it. Like, because nobody, you can't, there's no book on this.